Welcome. This is how to disable call forwarding on iPhone. So, guys, in order for you to do this, just simply follow the steps that I'm going to show you where you can change the settings of the call forwarding on your iPhone by going through the settings. Now, once you are here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see here apps. Now, here on the apps, just simply scroll down again until you find over here a phone. So now here on the phone tab, you just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here call forwarding. So from here, you would just simply select it. And from here, since I don't have a SIM on my phone, I won't be able to proceed. But if you do, you should be able to turn off and on the call forwarding over here. So just simply follow my steps and you should be able to disable the call forwarding. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.